Kamusta mga balibulista? Winalis ng FAU Baby Lady Tamaraos ang Ateneo Blue Eagles 25-8, 25-11, 25-14. Panalo naman ang UST Junior Golden Tigresses kontra sa DLAZ Junior Lady Spikers 25-17, 25-27, 25-14, 25-17. Winalis din ng Adamson Baby Lady Falcons ang UP Junior Fighting Marons 25-10, 25-14, 25-12. Heto naman ang game recap result last October 19, 2024. Winalis naman ng Enyo Bullpups ang DLAZ Junior Archers 25-11, 25-13, 25-16. Dinaig naman ng UST Junior Golden Spikers ang FAU Baby Tamaraos 25-11, 23-25, 25-17, 25-17. Dinaig din ng UE Junior Warriors ang Ateneo Blue Eagles 25-10, 20-25, 25-12, 25-12. Pinayuko naman ng Adamson Baby Falcons ang UP Junior Fighting Marons 25-9, 25-12, 25-12. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ng Boys Volleyball as of October 20, 2024. UST Junior Golden Spikers 8 wins 0 loss 26 points. Enyo Bullpups 8 wins 1 loss 25 points. UE Junior Warriors 7 wins 2 losses 22 points. Adamson Baby Falcons 5 wins 4 losses 15 points. FAU Baby Tamaraos 4 wins 5 losses 13 points. DLAZ Junior Archers 3 wins 6 losses 9 points. Ateneo Blue Eagles 1 win 8 losses 3 points. UP Junior Fighting Marons 0 win 9 losses 0 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto naman ang team standings ng Girls Volleyball as of October 20, 2024. FAU Baby Lady Tamaraos 6 wins 1 loss 17 points. Enyo Lady Bullpups 5 wins 1 loss 14 points. Adamson Baby Lady Falcons 5 wins 2 losses 17 points. UST Junior Golden Tigresses 5 wins 2 losses 15 points. DLAZ Junior Lady Spikers 2 wins 5 losses 6 points. UP Junior Fighting Marons 1 win 6 losses 3 points. Ateneo Blue Eagles 0 win 7 losses 0 point. Heto ang mga laro ngayong October 23, 2024 na gaganapin sa Paco Arena. Maglalaban ang UST Junior Golden Spikers at Adamson Baby Falcons alas 9 ng umaga. Maghaharap naman ang Enyo Bullpups at UA Junior Warriors alas 11 ng umaga. Magtutuos ang FAU Baby Tamaraos at UP Junior Fighting Marons alauna ng hapon. Maglalaban naman ang DLAZ Junior Spikers at Ateneo Blue Eagles alas 3 ng hapon. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.